Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to find wallet address in Sweat Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to find wallet address in Sweat Wallet, all you need to do is simply tap open your Sweat Wallet app. So once you open it, you will end up in this interface. So you will now be logged into your account. After you have done a quick fingerprint scan or entered the password, then you need to tap on the transfer option. There you can find the receive option, so simply tap on it, and after you do so, you can find your wallet address right over there. You can see that wallet address is written, and you can simply tap on it to copy it or tap on the share button to share your wallet address as well. So this is how you find your wallet address in Sweat Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.